How to download and install the Samsung Wallet application on your Samsung device. First, you're going to go to your Play Store, and here at the bottom of your screen you can see a search option. Simply tap on it and tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Here you want to type in Samsung Wallet. Click on Samsung Wallet at your search suggestion, and here if the Samsung Wallet is available on your device, and here if the Samsung Wallet application is available on your country or your device is compatible with it, you'll see the Samsung Wallet application over here. And inside the Samsung Wallet application, you'll see the Samsung Pay option. However, if it's not available on your region, you can check it by going to your browser. Here at the search bar, you want to type in Samsung Pay or Samsung Wallet. I'll click on Samsung Wallet, and here you can see that here the application will look something like this. And if I click on the application, it will say that it's not available in my region. However, if I click on the website, I'll be able to use the Samsung Wallet application over here. This video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.